Alright, this is Gareth Messman here with Gore Husick at the mouse, and we're trying to solve this problem. There's 5 backpackers who all piled their identical backpacks in a pile. And in the morning they went to pick them up, and they all picked a random backpack, and we want to know what's the probability that they each picked the correct backpack. So we're going to run a Fathom simulation and find out. First, we need to start a new collection. And since there's 5 people and 5 backpacks, we need 5 cases. So then we make a table for this collection. And in the table we have the backpacks and the people. And there's backpacks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Backpack 1 is the first person's backpack, and backpack 2 is the second person's backpack, etc. And now to simulate them putting them all in a pile and picking back out a random one, we need to scramble these. So this collection, if we make a table for it, we'll see the backpacks got scrambled up and assigned to a new person, so that's like them picking a new backpack out of the pile. So now we want to see how, if these match, because we're going to run a whole lot of trials eventually and we don't want to count these by hand. So we're going to add a new column and call it match. Now we want to know if the backpack is the same as the person. So we're going to add a formula. It's going to be backpacks equals people. So now you can see it matched once. So we don't want to have to count all these by hand, so we're going to make a new measure, and this measure is going to be the number of matches. And the formula is going to be count match equals true, and that'll count how many times the match is true. Okay, so now we need to run a few trials. So we're just going to collect some measures. So now we have this. Let's make a table for this and see what happened. We had 0, 1, 0, and then 3, and then only one match. So we just want to make a table, make a graph for this, a dot plot, to see how it looks. This isn't very good. We didn't get any 5 matches, so we're going to run a whole lot of simulations to see how often it happens. Collect, say, 1,000. Alright, here it goes. Boom. Now, it's kind of hard to see how many. The dots are so close together we don't know, can't really count them, and it would take a while to look through all 1,000 cases. So we're going to start a new column and call it the number, and we can add a formula and have it be count numMatch equals 5, and this will tell us how many times we had 5 matches, and it happened 7 times out of 1,000.